Welcome to a quick room tour of our Cove balcony aboard the Carnival Vista. Here's the bathroom, which is a standard bathroom of almost all Carnival ships. There you have your body wash and your shampoo, your toilet, and your sink and your mirrors. Over here in your closets, you have your first hanging closet. Then you have your second hanging closet. This one has a shelf that you can fold down here. In this closet here, you have your other shelves with your safe and your drawers down here. Here is your makeup vanity computer workstation area. You have two USB ports here, your two electrical outlets. I would recommend getting one of these here. This will help improve your outlet situation. You have your drawer here with the hair dryer that they provide. You have your mini bar under this one. And as I do a slow spin around the room, you have your seating here, your couch that will turn into a bed. Then you have your Miss Cece's here. And then you have your bed, which ours is pulled together to make it a queen size bed. It is two twin size beds that you push together. It was already done. You can do that when you set up your room. And this is a Cove balcony. I am going to do you a view of the Cove balcony later. We are still in port and it is way noisy out there. But anyway, thank you for viewing this video, and there is more to come on Cruisemas 2022 TNC at TNC Cruising Time. Peace out.